So today I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and start making a cube, and this is going to be like the first project that we have. So when we're done, we're going to have a cube that looks roughly like that. But as you can see, to start off with, we have absolutely nothing. So the first thing we're going to see, you notice you're going to have like some basic little menus. Now the old version, you could literally under create, you would see an option that would say line. Well, that option doesn't show up anymore until you click on this Create Sketch button. So once you hit Create Sketch button, or Create a Sketch, we will then click on the plane. And we're going to click on this plane right here. So when I click on this, notice the top will change. So once I click on it, then you'll see now we have these new options right here. Now there is a line button right here that you can click. I'm just going to walk you through some of the shortcuts. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a 25 by 25 by 25 cube. So I'm going to click L for line, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, and I'm just going to move it down. Now notice right now I've got 2 millimeters by 90 degrees. Now if I just type, since I've got the 2 millimeters selected, and type in 25, now I've still got my 90 degrees set. I'll hit return. Now you can see I have a line that is 25 millimeters long. So I'll hit L again. I'm going to take that point we just ended with, and once again I'm going to type in 25. I'll go there, hit L one more time from this spot. Now I'm going to kind of go 25 up, and what we're going to do is we're going to try more or less to complete this base. So I'm going to type in 25, and now once I hit Finish Sketch, you'll see I have this cube, or this cube base that I can actually select. Now we're close. We've got our base 25 by 25, but we also, in order to make this a cube, we also have to raise this up. So I'm going to go to Modify, and under Modify you're going to notice we have this Press Pull, or I will just click Q most of the time. So I'm going to click Q, and once I do this I'm going to drag this up, and I'll type in 25, and now I actually have a 25 by 25 by 25 cube. And if I turn on my sketch, you can kind of see, oops, maybe, let's try this again. I should be able to click on this. I can modify that. But this will be my cube, 25 by 25 by 25. And that's where we're going to stop this first video.